In this video, I will guide you on how to fix no sound on WhatsApp status. First, you want to swipe down from the top right corner to open your control center. Now tap on the Bluetooth option. Here you want to check if your phone is connected to any Bluetooth device. If connected, turn off Bluetooth. Now go to WhatsApp. Then you want to replay the status. Next, you want to check your volume. For that, you want to open Control Center again. Now you want to increase the media volume to maximum. Once that is done, open WhatsApp and check if that fixes your issue. If it does not, you want to update WhatsApp to the latest version. For that, open Play Store or App Store, tap on the search bar, and here you want to look for WhatsApp. If you find an update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. Next, you want to clear cache off WhatsApp. For that, open up Settings, then tap Apps. Now from this list of application, you want to find WhatsApp, tap on that. Now tap on Storage, here tap on Clear Cache. Now restart your phone completely, then open WhatsApp and this issue should be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.